Hello everyone, and welcome to break 1938 for the 0304 Chrome Basketball Graded Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Thursday, April 30th, 2020. It's 11:01 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:01 p.m. Central Time, and 8:01 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Ryan with 10 spots, CR Mag 1, PD 1, Jordan 2, Laddie Cards 2, D Crowell with 10, JMB 1, Jess with 2 spots. Going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Ryan on top, Jess on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has D Crowell on top and bottom. D Crowell has the Hawks, Jordan Celtics, Ryan Bulls, Cavaliers, D Crowell Mavericks, Nuggets, Jess Pistons, Laddie Cards Warriors, Ryan Rockets, JNB Pacers, D Crowell with the Clippers, Laddie Cards Lakers, PD with the Grizzlies, D Crowell with the Heat, Bucks, Ryan with the Timberwolves and Nets, Jess with the Hornets, D Crowell Knicks, Ryan Magic, 76ers, Suns, D Crowell with the Trailblazers, CR Mag Kings, Crowell with the Spurs, Ryan Supersonics, Raptors, Jordan Jazz, and D Crowell with the Washington Wizards. Alright guys, all sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal 1, seal 2. And empty. Empty. And we have Derek Anderson for the Portland Trailblazers 0304 Topps Chrome. Derek Anderson, Mint 9. PSA Mint 9. Derek Anderson, Portland Trailblazers. Former 13th overall pick in the first round. And that is going to Portland. Let's see who has Portland. Portland Trailblazers, D Crowell 54. Congrats on the Derek Anderson PSA Mint 9. That was break 1938 for the 0304 Chrome Basketball Graded Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get a chance at that full-size autographed football helmet. And please leave us feedback on eBay. You'll find us on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then we're on to 1939 for the 2019 Topps Clearly Authentic. Thanks.